everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 623 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Cest It's Me Reflect Lip Gloss that I got in the shade Opulence as part of my October Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of all of the different products I got from Ipsy this month, I will have that linked down below. When I took this out of the packaging, I was like, oh my gosh, I've definitely tried something from this brand before, but I couldn't quite remember. And then when I was in the shower, I was like, oh my gosh, it's right there. I look at it every single day in my shower. I have the Cest It's Me cleanser, which I really like. It's so gentle on the skin, but it does such a great job of completely cleaning all of the makeup off of my skin so that my skin just feels so fresh and clean after using just that one product. And I think I got that from Ipsy before. But so this is a really nice, gentle brand. It says made for young, delicate skin, but it's cruelty-free, made with organic, natural ingredients, fragrance-free. I also was looking it up online and I saw that, it's free of all of those things. Talc-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free. And it comes in 3 different shades. I got the shade Opulence, which is more of a sheer color, which can be used as a lip topper or just alone. To really see how this product is, I'm going to just apply it to my bare lips. But so on the Cest website, it retails for $8.50 right now. But then when I was looking online, I saw that you could buy it at Target and Walmart for like $3 to $5. So I like that this is a very affordable brand. So let me start out by swatching this, but it's really cute packaging. Here you can see it has the diamond design. It says it's fragrance free. And it is. I don't smell a thing. But let's see how it looks. Oh, that looks really beautifully glossy. Definitely that wet look. Because it has very, very tiny subtle shimmer. So it's not about the sparkle, it's about the shine. And I'm really excited to see how this is going to look on my lips. It's so funny. Maybe because I read that this is made for young, delicate skin, but I applied this to my lips and I was like, wow, this is a perfect lip gloss for like a younger person getting into makeup because it's just like a clear gloss, but a little hint of sparkle so that it's a little bit more fun than just applying, like a Vaseline or something to your lips. But just so easy to wear, easy to throw on. And it looks really nice. It looks like there's this nice glossy layer over my lips. Very shiny, not sticky. It's hydrating to my dry lips. So I'm loving this as just, a standard lip gloss. But it's funny, it makes me think about, maybe because I was just watching Stranger Things right before jumping on camera here, but what's her name? Oh, I'm drawing a blank on her name, but the girl that plays Eleven from Stranger Things, she just came out with this makeup line, I think like a skincare line, and I'm intrigued by it. I wish there had been products like that when I was that age, and maybe I would have gotten into skincare and makeup younger or in a better way if those had been around when I was that age. But even though I'm 26, I'm curious to try those products. So if you've tried any of those, let me know in the comments down below. What is it? Is it called like Florence or something like that? I see it in the Ulta emails all the time. And I love Ulta. I'm always buying things from Ulta, so maybe I'll have to pick up some products next time I place an Ulta order. But if you have any recommendations for the new, oh my gosh, every time I go to say her name, it's on the tip of my tongue. She has a really cute name too. But anyways, if you have any recommendations from that line, let me know in the comments down below, because I don't know why this product really makes me want to try out other products like that, but just like, you know, embracing natural beauty. I feel like that's what this is about, and I think that's great. It's definitely a lip gloss that I will continue wearing. It's just so easy, very comfortable on my lips, and it can go with any makeup look, whether you're wearing makeup or not. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.